Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. Today we are going to learn how to make floor disinfectant. So this SLS has been mixed into water. So this is SLS. This is sodium hypochlorite. This is white vinegar, perfume, color, and then water. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to use this thing for our floor cleaner. So let's stay back and watch. So I'll start by pouring my water to the container that I'm going to make my mixture, and then add my SLS liquid. After that, I will add the salt. Don't worry, the quantity will be on the screen. So after that, you then stir to make sure that it is well mixed. The salt here will help the SLS to thicken up. It's serving as a thickening agent here. So I have my the after wash that I did, that is fabric softener. That is one you see over there. The link will also be in the description box below so that you can go and check that one too. Now the salt has mixed well with the SLS and the water. So I'm going to add my vinegar instead. So I'm now going to add the sodium hypochlorite. And stir also. So after mixing it very well, then I will then add my color. No, perfume too. So I'll add my perfume. So in less than 10 minutes, our floor cleaner is ready. So you can use this to clean your bathhouse, your tiles, floor, and everywhere on your kitchen, everywhere in your room. You can use it, and it's very clean. When you use it, it cleans things and disinfects. As you can see, this is our disinfectant, sodium hypochlorite for disinfection. So anywhere that so this is the final product. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.